I need you. I just close my eyes and I feel you. I never...
Leo Sayer.
This is an emergency alert. Please stand by for further information, ensuring that your device is fully audible. This is not a drill. This is an emergency alert. Please stand by for further information, ensuring that your device is fully audible. This is not a drill. Around 5 minutes ago, a large earthquake occurred in the North Atlantic Ocean. This created a large shockwave, and due to this, a tsunami has started in the Atlantic Ocean, rapidly heading towards Western Europe. The United Kingdom and Ireland are now unsafe. If on the island of Ireland, please immediately make your way onto the highest ground possible. If on the island of Great Britain, please evacuate to as far eastward as possible. If on any other islands, please immediately make way onto the highest ground possible. Please wait for further information. We are currently waiting for information on which nations will be affected. The United Kingdom, Republic of Ireland, Kingdom of Iceland, Kingdom of Norway, Spain, Portugal and Morocco will receive a full tsunami wave. The Federal Republic of Germany, Kingdom of the Netherlands, Kingdom of Belgium, Duchy of Luxembourg, Kingdom of Denmark, Italian Republic and the Russian Federation will all receive a small tsunami wave. Please stand for the national anthem of the United Kingdom, God Save the King. The emergency alert will now cease. Previously scheduled programming will now continue. The BBC wishes you peace and prosperity. The emergency alert will now cease. Previously scheduled programming will now continue. The BBC wishes you peace and prosperity.
You. I never...
Leo Sayer.
Stupid cow.
Ooh, I nearly forgot.